And today we will be installing and using the Checkmate stripe kit for the first time. Stay tuned.
It's RVA Lawn Love,
When
fool.
you get your Checkmate stripe kit from Big League Lawns, it comes in a box about big enough to hold that, with another box of hardware, and in that comes 2 of these assemblies. And broken down, it is 2 of these L brackets, 2 of the flat brackets, 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 of these. And pretty much you just duplicate it. It's really simple. Just put them together, bolt and lock washer on this side, nut on that side, and then you just put those 2 things together. Inside the box of hardware comes this one piece of paper, and this tells you everything you need to know on how to attach it to the Time Master. Now, the first step, it tells you that we need to drill a 3/8 inch hole into an already existing hole into the frame of the Time Master. It's pretty terrible to have the GoPro set up but not even turned on to do this. So that hole right there, we need to open up to 3/8 of an inch, both sides. Okay, so now that both holes are drilled, it's time to start attaching the brackets. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so next we're going to attach the roller to the frame by attaching these bolts through those holes, both sides. Okay, and so once you got them finger tight on there, you want to step back and align it with the wheels. You can slide it side to side, so it looks like it needs to go a little bit that way. There you go. Once you have it where you want it, just tighten up these 2 bolts right here, and you're ready to go. So there it is. Big League Lawns Checkmate striper installed on the Toro 30-inch Time Master. It really isn't but like a 15-minute install at most. I did have an issue. I don't know if you noticed the change in my outfit or whatnot. Probably not, but the day that I originally drilled the holes in the side to put the brackets on, and I pre-assembled my L brackets. I mean, it's just 4 screws and bolts. So, but when I went to attach the striper to the bracket, I didn't have the little bolts right here at the top. So I contacted Big League Lawns and told them that I didn't have them, and they just mailed me out a set right away. Got them in 3 days, and here I am a week later. So it was last Saturday I was trying to put these on, and today is Sunday of the following week. So, I mean, less than a week, and got it taken care of. So it really helped me out, and I'm really looking forward to using this thing. I'm thinking a quick test run might be in order. Might not even cut it, just maybe just kind of do a stripe up this way and then a stripe back this way, just to see what it's going to do. Alright, so just a swipe up and a swipe back without even running the blades. I was just seeing what the roller will do. Kind of going against, looking into the sun there. Let's go look with the sun in our backs and see what it looks like. I can't tell what it looks like on the camera, but in person, pretty good difference. I like it. I like it a lot. So, got some things I gotta go do with the family. Going to a trampoline park with the kids. This is the last day of spring break. And then we're gonna go do a little spring shopping for them. But after that, I'm gonna come back, give this thing a cut, maybe put some stripes down. Alright, so I'm back from the trampoline park with the kids. I raised the mower up a notch to 2 3/4 inches. It's not going to cut much of the grass at all, really. I did put the bagger on just because I haven't bagged with it yet. Just wanted to see what I'm catching. Probably just some leaves and stuff. And I filled the tank up, so let's give it a mow. Well, I just finished mowing, and I was right. Wasn't cutting much off at all. So, never emptied it. That's all that's left in there. So, not even a third of the way full. However, yard looks pretty good. I am impressed with the results of the striper for sure. And this isn't even with the sun at the right angle. And the grass is 2.5 inches, maybe. Some of it is. So, the kit definitely works. Definitely does its thing. Now this reminds me, Jeremy of the Greener Lawn and myself will be having a stripe contest, Memorial Day weekend. So if you haven't subscribed to his channel, I'll give you a link up there. So go ahead and subscribe to his channel so you can see what he's doing to get ready for the contest. You know what I'm doing to get ready for the contest. Just something that's a little fun. Jeremy's kind of like a mentor of mine in the YouTube community, so I thought it'd be fun to take on the master. So look forward to that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe so you can make sure you see how we do. Thank you. And here you see are just a couple of pics that I took after I was done to show the finished stripes. They look nice. Alright, that's all I got for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video of the Checkmate lawn striper. And so don't forget to subscribe so you can see how we stripe this thing throughout the year. And also don't forget to check out the Greener Lawn. Subscribe to his channel too, so you can check out our stripe contest Memorial Day weekend. It's going to be awesome. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, question, anything like that in the comments below. Until next time, peace.